Everyone, this is Sarah Lamru, and in this video, I will talk about different platforms that I've been working with in order to make a virtual reality lesson for architecture engineering lessons. So, um, these lessons are made to help future students to explore specific details in architecture technology and to help them more understand and learn about those specific details. So, the first program that I am going to explore with you is the Prospect. The Prospect is one of the nice actually platforms that I have been working with lately, and it's give you a couple of options to work with, so you can use this tools to rotate, go around, maybe zoom in and out, and even work with different angles. So actually, this platform, you have to download it from the website, IRISVR. So you have to go to this website and try to read more on how to download this desktop application. It's pretty easy to download. It's not that difficult or complicated. All you have to do is to download this program, and you have to make sure that you don't have a Revit application is opened, because it's gonna be a conflict with the Revit or SketchUp. So you have to make sure that you are closing all the programs that you have, and then you can go to the Revit. For example, I'm opening here a model that I was working with. So when you go to the Revit, you will be asked if you want to add the prospect to the Revit, and you just go with the dialog and say yes. And when you open the add-ins in Revit, you can find that you have this option, view in VR, which is prospect. So when you press here, you will have this dialog asking you which view you want to go with. So you just have to pick the view that you want and proceed with this progress. Um, and then you can find your project in Prospect and Desktop. If you didn't like this way, you can go to add files here. So you can add any file you want. You can add SketchUp file and Revit. I'm not sure about other like other programs, but I'm pretty sure it's working with Autodesk. So it's like convenient for architecture students. So after you add the file that you want, you can give them different names and change the name if you want, and you can open the file that you want. For example, this is a file that I have downloaded previously, which is for foundation details, and you can work with this platform easily. It's not that complicated. You can go around it, and of course, if you have the VR headsets, you will find it much easier to explore. Um, yeah, you can even hide or unhide different parts of the model, and yeah, you can even work with different shadow and lighting. Depends on what level you want of light. This is pretty much about Prospect. It's not that complicated program. um, I didn't like something in this program, that you can't make like much details in this program. It's like a viewer for users. It doesn't have like doesn't give you option to do quizzes and explain more for the users. So I find it's a pretty much simple platform um, of the virtual reality platforms. So this was the first platform. I wanted to talk about the other platform that I also explored is the Shapespark. The Shapespark is another nice platform. It's much easier than the previous one, the Prospect. All you have to do is go ahead and download their application, the desktop, and then you can, after that, you can explore more. So, for example, I downloaded my Shapespark here, and as you can see, you can download your file here, and you will get a trail of like 30 days, and then you have to purchase the Shapespark. The same with the Prospect. Also, you will be given like, I remember, like 14 days. So as you can see, I'm here. My trail is expired, so I have to purchase uh, the 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 program from the website. So let's go back to the Shapespark. You can also upload files very easily, and by the way, the Shapespark can be added to the SketchUp program as extension. It's very easy to do that by downloading the platform, this website. Sorry, this program. So let's go ahead and open this same file that I downloaded previously, which is the same file of SketchUp. This is my file. You can see that this platform is not giving you much details as the Prospect. It's a little bit simple, and it's made to view the files like SketchUp and Revit and other programs to review it for the like student or other users. It doesn't give you much ability to edit or hide or unhide objects or know more about the names of these objects. But the nice thing that I like is that uh, you can share the link of your file and send it to anyone who can open the same file from their like phones, Android or Apple, and they will have the option to view it in VR if they have the VR headset. But as I mentioned, it doesn't give you much details, especially for students as users. So this is pretty much about the Shapespark. The other platform that I wanted to explore with you is the EON-XR, which is pretty much the best of what I explored from the platforms. This platform gives you many details and many ways to edit your lesson. So, for example, here you can make your account here by like signing in and go to the process of signing in, and then you can add files and make your own lessons in a pretty much like step by step. You have to follow steps and yeah. So let's explore more about this platform. So here I have uploaded the same sample of file, SketchUp file in specific. Uh, as you can see, it's pretty much easy to go around the model and explore the details here. So you have the ability to see, to hide, or if you want to open and hide the details, and you can add more details here, like if you want to add audio to your lesson, or identification, location, quiz, simple quiz for users. And yeah, it's a nice platform actually. You can even make it transparent to make it easy for students to understand what's behind, and yeah, the it's a pretty nice model here. Even you can break the model to simple pieces, and this is a nice way to show the parts of the model. One thing I didn't like about the Aeon is that when you break your lesson, the parts of your lessons, the part of the shapes are not going on the same order they were. So as you can see here, for example, the rigid insulation is going and not in the right way. So if you can see here, yeah, they are not coming in the same order they were. So it might be confusing for the users. So this is the only thing I didn't like about the EON. Other than that, it's pretty much more flexible for the architecture user. So I like this platform, as I could edit or work with more details here. As you can see in the website, you can edit your lesson, you can launch another lesson, you can edit the name of your lesson, you can launch it in VR if you had the VR headset. I think Eon is one of the best platform that you can use to make VR lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.